How do you extend a family law stalking order? If you are wondering how to extend a family law stalking order, you are not alone. Many people find themselves needing to renew these important protective measures. Let's break down the steps you need to follow to ensure your safety continues. First, you must file a petition or motion to renew the stalking order in the same court where the original order was granted. This must be done before the current order expires. If you wait too long, you may lose the protection you need. Next, you will need to show good cause or an ongoing need for the order. You do not have to prove that new acts of stalking or harassment have occurred since the original order. Instead, you should demonstrate a reasonable fear of further stalking or that the protection is still necessary for your safety. After filing your petition, the court will schedule a hearing. During this hearing, both you and the respondent, the person the order is against, can present evidence. It is important to know that the respondent has the right to contest the renewal. To support your case, bring any documentation that can help prove your need for continued protection. This can include police reports, witness statements, communication records, or any other relevant proof. The more evidence you provide, the stronger your case will be. Once the hearing takes place, the judge will make a decision on whether to extend the order. Typically, extensions can last for 1 to 2 years, depending on your local laws. If the threat persists, you can usually renew the order multiple times. It is also important to consider any temporary custody provisions related to protective orders. These may have specific time limits and could requiring separate family court proceedings for longer-term custody arrangements. If a child was included in the original stalking order and has now reached adulthood, they may be able to seek an extension independently if they still fear harm. To ensure a smooth process, it is advisable to file for an extension well in advance, ideally 30 days before the expiration of the current order. This allows enough time for the court to schedule a hearing and process your renewal request. Remember, while the process may vary by jurisdiction, the key steps of filing a timely petition, demonstrating ongoing risk, and attending a hearing remains consistent. By following these steps, you can maintain the legal protection you need against stalking and related domestic violence behaviors.